Welcome to my channel. Today let me tell you a story of a boy named Ayan. Ayan was born into a life most people could only dream of. His parents owned businesses, properties, and gave him every comfort a child could ask for. He grew up in a mansion, traveled in luxury cars, and studied in the best schools. People often whispered behind his back, "Lucky boy, he will never know struggle." But destiny had a different plan. When Ayan turned 17, tragedy struck like lightning. His parents died in a sudden accident, leaving him alone in a world that didn't care about his surname anymore. Relatives who once smiled at him closed their doors. The family businesses collapsed without his parents' guidance. Bank loans swallowed everything. Within months, the boy born in wealth found himself sleeping on a footpath, using his school bag as a pillow. The nights were cold, the days were cruel, and hunger became a teacher. But the street taught him what money never could. Nobody is coming to save you. You save yourself. Ayan found a small tea stall owner who allowed him to wash utensils for food. At night he read old, torn textbooks he found in garbage piles. He promised himself one thing: I will not die like this. He worked 3 jobs: sweeping in a restaurant at dawn, delivering newspapers in the morning, cleaning tables at night. Every rupee he saved went into his education. He studied under streetlights. He studied in bus stands. He studied while hungry, exhausted, and alone. People laughed. They said, "A homeless boy wants to become a doctor? Impossible." But impossible dreams are the ones that shape extraordinary lives. Years passed. He cleared the entrance exam with top marks. Medical school was another battlefield: fees, books, survival, but he fought every day with the same fire in his chest. By 29, the world knew his name: Dr. Ayan, one of the leading trauma surgeons of the city. Reporters once asked him, "How did a homeless boy become a doctor?" He smiled and said, "I didn't become a doctor to prove anyone wrong. I became a doctor to prove my parents raised a fighter." Today, he runs a free clinic every Sunday for street children, because he knows what it feels like to be invisible. Ayan's story is a reminder. Richness can be inherited, but greatness is always earned.